Hello everyone. A major power outage occurred in Georgia on the evening of July 23 and Saturday morning. Customers in all major cities of Georgia, including Tbilisi, were without power. The Tbilisi Metro has returned to normal operation after a major power outage. Water supplies have been restored in the cities, and trains have resumed service. A complete reconstruction of Shota Rustaveli Avenue has begun in central Tbilisi. Work will continue around the clock. The reconstruction will last until the end of November 2026. The project will completely replace underground and above-ground utility lines, install modern underground waste containers, and reorganize traffic using a new transportation system. The project will include renovation of the roadway and sidewalks and laying new asphalt. The avenue's infrastructure will be fully accessible to people with disabilities. Particular attention will be paid to the safety and comfort of pedestrians, with the installation of ground-level pedestrian crossings. Belarusian citizens, including minors, injured in a traffic accident on July 25 continue to receive treatment in Batumi hospitals. In Batumi, a minibus carrying Belarusian tourists collided with a car. 2 tourists, a man and a woman, were killed. 12 people were taken to the hospital. The Georgian side is providing all necessary medical care to the patients. The Belarusian embassy is maintaining constant contact with the victims and their families. A criminal case has been opened regarding the accident for violating traffic rules, resulting in serious consequences. Good luck to all of you.